Imagine you've just received a postcard. Not just any postcard, mind you, but one from a place that's often tucked away in the shadows of its bigger neighbors. On the front, there's a picture of a fairytale canal in Bruges, a grand square in Brussels, and maybe a misty forest in the Ardennes. This postcard is from Belgium, a country that proves brilliant things truly do come in small packages. It's a nation that's compact, yes, but it's absolutely brimming with surprises around every corner. For the next 15 minutes, we're going to bring that postcard to life, taking you on a journey through a land of towering cathedrals, cobbled lanes, and some of the best chocolate and beer you'll ever taste. We're going to explore everything Belgium has to offer, from the bustling city centres that hum with history and politics, to the rolling green hills of the countryside where time seems to slow right down. We'll even pop over to the coast for a bit of sea air. This isn't just a list of places to see, it's an invitation to experience the real Belgium, to uncover its hidden gems and understand what makes this little nation tick. So, get comfortable and let's begin our adventure. Our journey is structured a bit like a playlist, your very own travel mixtape for Belgium. Each place we visit is a new track, a different tune that adds to the overall experience. We'll start with the big hits, the classic cities Brussels, Bruges. Then, we'll move on to some deeper cuts, exploring the rugged beauty of the Ardennes and the serene charm of the Belgian coast. Each stop will have its own story, its own flavor, and its own unique rhythm. By the end, you'll have a full playlist of amazing Belgian destinations ready for you to explore on your own. It's about building your perfect trip, one incredible stop at a time. This isn't your average travel guide. We're going to dive deep into the heart of Belgium, but we're doing it with a modern twist. The entire visual journey you're about to see has been crafted using state-of-the-art generated clips, bringing Belgium to life in breathtaking 4K resolution. This means every detail, from the intricate lacework in a shop window to the sunlight filtering through the trees in a forest, is presented with stunning clarity. It allows us to show you the ideal version of every scene, the perfect light, the perfect moment. We're blending classic travel storytelling with futuristic visuals. Right then, our Belgian playlist kicks off with a proper showstopper, Brussels. This isn't just Belgium's capital, it's the beating heart of the European Union. As you step into the city, you feel that energy right away. It's a place where history, modernity, suited politicians rush past centuries-old buildings. Our first stop has to be the Grand Place, or Grote Markt. It's one of the most beautiful squares in the world. You stand in the middle, opulent guild halls dripping with gold leaf, dramatic spire of the town hall. It feels like you've walked straight into a historical epic. Stop, look up, let the grandeur wash over you. But don't be fooled by all the gold. Brussels has a quirky, down-to-earth side too. Just a short walk from the grandeur, you'll find the mannequin Piss, the famous little statue of a boy having a wee. It might seem a bit silly, but the locals absolutely love him. He has hundreds of outfits for every occasion, a symbol of the city's irreverent sense of humor. So, how do you tackle Brussels in a day? Start at the Grand Place, of course. From there, wander through the nearby Galeries Royales Saint-Hubert, perfect for window shopping and grabbing a coffee. For a dose of art, head to the Mont des Arts, see old masters and surrealist works by Magritte. Don't miss a visit to the Atomium. It offers incredible panoramic views of the city. And let's talk about the food, because in Brussels, it's a massive part of the experience. This is the city to indulge in those famous Belgian waffles. Forget the ones you get back home. Here they're a work of art. Light, crispy Brussels waffle, dense, sweet Liège waffle, cream, chocolate, fruit. Then there are the fries, or frites, Find a proper fritkot, a little fry shack, and get a cone with a dollop of mayonnaise. It's a simple pleasure, but it's pure Belgian perfection. Finish it all off with some world-class pralines from a master chocolatier. Brussels is a city that will delight all your senses. From the bustling capital, we slow the tempo right down for our next track. Welcome to Bruges. If Brussels is the heart of Europe, Bruges is its soul. People call it the Venice of the North, and you can see why. Dreamy canals, winding cobbled lanes, medieval buildings lifted from a storybook. Stepping into Bruges feels like stepping back in time. It's a place made for getting lost, for wandering without a map. A boat trip along the canals is an absolute must. It gives you a completely different perspective on the city as you glide past weeping willows and secret gardens. Afterwards, climb the 366 steps of the Belfry Tower. It's a bit of a workout, but the reward is a breathtaking panoramic view over the red-tiled rooftops. You can see the whole city laid out before you. And in Bruges, the classic Belgian treats take on an even more special quality. The city is famous for its chocolate shops. You'll find one on almost every corner. For a comforting meal, find a traditional restaurant serving Flemish stew, a rich beef and onion stew made with dark Belgian beer, usually served with a side of those essential fries. And of course, you have to sample some of the local beer. Find a cozy wood-paneled pub and let the bartender guide you through the incredible variety on offer. Now, let's switch up the vibe. Our next city, Ghent, has Brussels energy and Bruges charm, with a unique character all its own. If Bruges is a polished fairy tale, Ghent is its cooler, slightly rebellious younger sister. It's a university city, youthful, creative energy everywhere. The most famous symbol of this defiance is the Gravenstein, the castle of the Counts. This formidable stone fortress sits right in the middle of the city, a stark reminder of the power the Counts once wielded. Today you can explore its ramparts and even its old torture chambers. Start your exploration at the Grassley and Correnley, the two quays lining the Laya River. This is the historic heart of the city, lined with magnificent guild halls that showcase Ghent's medieval wealth. Be sure to visit St. Bavo's Cathedral. This incredible cathedral is home to one of the most important works of art in history, the Ghent altarpiece by the Van Eyck brothers. The city has a thriving vegetarian food scene, and it even promotes a veggie day every Thursday. So why not try something different and visit one of its many excellent plant-based restaurants? The Paterschol district, with its maze of narrow cobbled streets, is another fantastic area for dinner, filled with charming and atmospheric restaurants of all kinds. After your meal, take a stroll along the illuminated canals. The city has a special lighting plan that beautifully accentuates its architecture after dark, making it feel both magical and incredibly cool. Right, it's time to change the track on our Belgian playlist. We are heading south into the Ardennes. This is a side of Belgium that many visitors miss. It's where you'll find the country's wild, untamed soul. Imagine vast rolling hills, dense forests, misty valleys, and quiet rivers snaking through the landscape. It's a world away from Flanders' urban energy. In autumn, the region ignites in a blaze of golden leaves, orange canopies, and deep red foliage. It's a photographer's dream and a hiker's heaven. Perched dramatically on cliffs, you'll find magnificent castles that seem to have grown right out of the rock. A visit to the castle of Bouillon is like stepping back into the age of the Crusaders. But the Ardennes also holds a much more recent, somber chapter. These peaceful forests were the setting for the Battle of the Bulge. Bastogne is central to this story. The Bastogne War Museum offers an immersive look at the battle. Just outside town is the Madison Memorial, a huge star-shaped monument dedicated to American soldiers. The Ardennes is a massive outdoor playground. The region is crisscrossed by a vast network of well-marked hiking trails for casual strollers and for serious trekkers. Prefer 2 wheels. The Ardennes is fantastic for cycling. Serious road cyclists will find plenty of challenging climbs. And then there's the iconic Ardennes activity, getting out on the water. Rivers like the Ourthe, the Semois and the Lesse are perfect for canoeing and kayaking. After a long day of hiking or kayaking, you're going to have a healthy appetite. The food here reflects the landscape, rustic, hearty, and deeply comforting. Game is a huge part of the local diet. One of the most famous local specialties is Ardennes ham. It's dry cured and lightly smoked, giving it a delicate, savory flavor. The Ardennes is home to some fantastic breweries, including the one at the Trappist monastery of Orval. Its distinctive, complex beer is famous around the world. The best way to get around the Ardennes is by car. It gives you the freedom to explore the winding country roads, discover hidden villages, and get to the trailheads and viewpoints that are off the beaten path. All right, let's change the scenery once again. From the dense forests of the Ardennes, our playlist now takes us west to a completely different but equally Belgian landscape, the coast. The entire coastline is connected by the Koostrum, the coast tram, which is one of the longest tram lines in the world, making it incredibly easy to hop between the different seaside towns. Each town has its own unique personality. You have the chic, upmarket glamour of Knokke, the more family-friendly atmosphere of towns like De Haan or Ostend, the city by the sea. And what about the food? Well, as you'd expect, it's all about seafood. This is the place to try a pot of moule frites, or you could sample some fresh grey shrimp, a local delicacy, either in a classic shrimp croquette or peeled and eaten straight from a paper cone. Now we move on to the hidden gems section of our playlist. Our first stop is the wonderful city of Mechelen. It's a city that is often overlooked by travelers, but that is a huge mistake. Climb its colossal Gothic belfry for one of the most incredible views in Belgium. On a clear day, you can see both the Atomium in Brussels and the Cathedral of Our Lady in Antwerp. Wandering through its quiet lanes feels like stepping into another, more peaceful era, a tranquil escape right in the city center. But Mechelen also has a serious side. The Kazerne d'Ossien was used by the Nazis as a transit camp. Today it has been transformed into a powerful and deeply moving museum and memorial. Our next hidden gem is a town so ridiculously picturesque it almost doesn't look real. Welcome to Dinant. Dinant is also famous for being the birthplace of Adolphe Sax, the inventor of the saxophone. The town pays homage to its famous son everywhere. Our final hidden gem is Leuven, another vibrant city located just a short train ride east of Brussels. The Oude Markt is known as the longest bar in the world due to its incredible concentration of pubs and cafes. You can't talk about Leuven without talking about beer. This city is the world headquarters of Anheuser-Busch InBev and the original home of Stella Artois. So there we have it. Our 15-minute journey through the heart of Europe is coming to an end. We've traveled from city squares to silent forests, from sandy shores to stunning cliff-top towns. We've built a complete travel playlist for Belgium, a mixtape of experiences that showcases the incredible diversity packed into this small but mighty nation. This visual experience was brought to life with generated clips, allowing us to show you the perfect moment in perfect 4K clarity. We've aimed to create a visual feast that does justice to Belgium's beauty. This guide is your starting point, a playlist of ideas to inspire your Belgian adventure. Follow our route exactly, or mix and match the tracks to create your perfect trip. The beauty of Belgium is you can do it all. Morning in a world-class museum, afternoon kayaking down a tranquil river. A country of wonderful contrasts, all within easy reach. The adventure is out there, waiting for you. Right, that's just about it from me. I hope we've shown you how much this amazing country has to offer. If you've enjoyed this journey, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your favorite spot. Share it with your travel-loving mates. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next travel guide. We've got plenty more adventures planned. Thanks for watching and happy travels.